How to verify your Bitfinex account. If you wish to verify your Bitfinex account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is launch the Bitfinex app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do from here is tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you've done that, at the top you can see there's different labels. One of the options there, it says is verification. So what you have to do is tap on the verification button there, and when you tap on verification, it will open up a KYC form in your browser where you have to go ahead and then enter the form according to your legal details. So let's just wait until this form has loaded up. So when you're here, you can see verification status. First of all, you have to choose your account type. It's individual or corporate account. After that, there is basic plus verification. This is a super fast verification. Next, you'll have to unlock full verification, that is to upgrade to intermediate, or you can also manage your documents. Depending upon which verification you're most comfortable with, you can see a couple of basic verification details that it asks. So if you want full verification, you can tap on upgrade to full verification. You will need an official photo ID, second ID, biometric photo like a selfie, your phone number, your address, your proof of address, your financial questionnaire, as well as your bank statement. And once done, you can tap the continue button and you'll be asked to fill out a form. Go ahead and then fill out all this form according to your legal details, and once everything is done and dusted, then your Bitfinex account will be successfully verified. This way you can verify your Bitfinex account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.